last Thursday, my mind went completely blank in class at CMU. An exchange student from Samart University, a well-known university in Bangkok, pointed at the calendar and asked me, what day of the week comes before this day? Actually, that day, an exchange student from Samart University in Bangkok happened to be visiting, and they suddenly joined our class. Normally, my practice is mostly with classmates and the teacher, so this was actually my first time having a one-on-one conversation with an actual Thai person. I thought it would be a great chance to test what I'd been practicing, and I was even kind of looking forward to it, but that day's lesson was about learning the days of the week in Thai. Monday is Wan Jan. Tuesday is Wan Angkan. I can say them in that order, no problem. But if someone suddenly asks me, what about Wednesday? I have to mentally start counting from Monday again to get the answer. This is what's called rote memorization. I couldn't just pull it out from the middle of the chain. Real conversations don't come in order, so I realized this approach just wasn't going to cut it. Today's topic is the days of the week in Thai, from Monday through Sunday. Wan Jan, Wan Angkan, Wan Put, Wan Parahatsabadi, Wan Suk, Wan Sao, Wan Atit. Actually, doesn't this order make you curious? Why is Wan Jan Monday and Wan Angkan Tuesday? Each day name in Thai actually contains the name of a celestial body. Jan means moon, Angkan means Mars, Put means Mercury, Padahatsabadi means Jupiter, Suk means Venus, Sao means Saturn, and Atit means Sun. It's exactly the same idea as the Japanese days of the week. Gets, Ka, Sui, Mok, Kin, Do, Reets. Now, let's say them out loud in this order, from Monday to Sunday, 3 times through. I think everyone can manage this much. But here's where it gets tricky. The words I'd been hearing as Wan Ni, Prung Ni, and Mua Wan, this is what they actually were. Wan Ni turned out to be today. Wan Ni. Prung Ni was tomorrow, and Mua Wan was yesterday. In the actual conversation, I was asked something like, Wan Ni Wan Arai. What day is today? Combining these words with the day of the week. So I had to recall the meaning of the word and answer the day of the week at the same time. And that's exactly where I couldn't keep up. Prung Ni means tomorrow, and Mua Wan means yesterday. If I'm just asked the day of the week, I can answer. If I'm just asked what these words mean, I understand them too. But when the two are combined into a single compound question, I can't process both at once in my head, and I end up unable to answer. It's not that I couldn't hear it, it's that combining them together is what confuses me. In reality, this is how it actually went. They pointed at July 25th on the calendar.
วันนี้วันอะไร
What day of the week is today? The answer is Saturday.
วันเสาร์
Question 2.
เมื่อวานนี้วันอะไร
What day of the week was it yesterday? The answer is Friday.
วันศุกร์
Question 3.
พรุ่งนี้วันอะไร
What day of the week is it tomorrow? The answer is Sunday.
วันอาทิตย์
When I was asked all 3 of these in quick succession, I just froze and went, Now it's your turn to try. Take a look at the calendar on the screen and answer within 3 seconds. What day of the week is it the day after the 16th? The answer is Friday.
วันศุกร์
What day of the week is it the day before the 25th? The answer is Friday.
วันศุกร์
If today is the 9th, what day of the week is the day after tomorrow? The answer is Saturday.
วันเสาร์
Last question. What day of the week is it the day after the 26th? The answer is Monday.
วันจันทร์
Being able to pull the answer out from anywhere, that's what it really means to have learned something. Rote memorization alone won't get you through questions like these. So make sure to practice regularly with random order questions, like the quiz we did today. See you in the next video.